should be getting italic. And if you put two of them, then you should get like highlighted.
Okay.
And that's all I remember, ma'am.
Okay, how can you view this?
Here, ma'am.
Preview. Give preview. Click, right click here. Right click on the file name.
Yes, ma'am. Open preview. There.
Yes, like this it will show, right?
Okay, ma'am. So turn this off.
Okay. Do you know how to push this to GitHub?
Yes, ma'am. First, I have to connect my GitHub.
Okay, connected. See, ma, those who are not familiar, observe carefully because you have to submit, then only you'll get your marks.
I have to log into GitHub and all, ma'am. That will take some time. I don't know password and all right now.
Okay.
So GitHub I'll do later. But this is all I remember. And then I think if you do 3, you'll get bigger and italic. Yes. And if you do only 1, you'll get only big. Oh shit, you get italic. Sorry. So you get big now, I guess. Yes, header.
Okay.
And there's a way to increase size, but I forgot, ma'am. How do you increase size?
What, ma'am?
Ma'am, increasing size, font size.
Everything. I'm not familiar with this article writing.
Okay. This is the only things I remember, ma'am. That's all. Okay.
Anybody else who are familiar with increasing the font size? Okay, roll number 53. I'll check and get back you.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to write the articles. Okay, stop your screen. Okay, you have to write the articles, and for that articles you are having 30 marks. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what will you write as your articles? What will you write as your articles? Okay, ma'am. Roll number 53.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Check this command once. Roll number 53.
Yes, ma'am. You want me to share, ma'am?
No, first you check it.
Okay.
After, if you get the output, we'll share the screen. You give it like 20 or 25, the size is.
Yes, ma'am, it's working, ma'am.
Okay, now you share your screen.
One minute.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the command to increase the font size. Font size is equals to 30. Whatever the text you want to write, that text and the font. Like this, we are having so many commands. Okay, apply and write the articles here. What articles will you write means, the first article is all of you write what you have learned in the previous semester. in the coding subject, like C programming. Suppose C programming, you just briefly explain about data types, all data types, and give simple small examples. Am I clear with this?
Ma'am, how do you break line?
No, ma, it's not double slash and I think 2 spaces.
2 spaces. Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you stop your screening, ma. You just work on it. What this article? Okay, you just work on this article and check trial and error all commands you try and write the articles. The first article you have to write is explain about what you have learned in the previous semester. That is C programming. Suppose write some objective things like data types, functions, like some basic concepts of C programming. You write it like an article. We'll check who will write very nicely. We'll check that. Okay, when will you submit this? When will you submit this article? Please respond.
Ma'am, where we should submit, ma'am? By means how?
What, Nitin?
In GitHub only we should submit.
In GitHub only, actually you have to submit. Okay, if not, I'll forward the form. In that form, you upload whatever the article you have done. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. By next lab?
By next lab. What about remaining, ma?
Next lab, ma'am.
Next lab. Okay, I'll give you 2 weeks time. Not for next lab. That is, next lab is on August 1st, I think. August 2nd, I think. Not on August 2nd. You submit on or before August 9th. Is it okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. On or before August 9th, submit your articles. Meanwhile, I'll inform how can we submit, how you have to submit. Meanwhile, I'll inform whether the Google form or the GitHub, I'll inform. Okay, ma? Any doubts regarding this? I think I'm clear with the evaluation procedure. 30 marks is for article writing, 30 marks is for your lab internal exams, both the 15 plus 15. And 40 marks is for your continuous evaluation, altogether 100. But overall, your marks is 50 only. That's why 100 divided by 2 I'll give you. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is the evaluation procedure, and we have fixed that in this semester we are going to work on the Java programming language. Okay.
Ma'am, for Java programming, what is the software we have to install?
See, I think in your first semester, first or second semester, you are having Java programming, right?
Yes, ma'am, but that's in college.
Huh?
We have completed that in the college only, ma'am.
Okay, college lo meeku ela install chesukovalo telida?
చెప్పలేదు మేము ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసి ఉన్నాయి అన్ని.
అంటే నువ్వు ఇంట్లో ఏం చేయలేదా? Okay, anyway, I'll tell how to install Java programming into our personal laptops or personal systems. Okay?
Okay. Okay. ఇంటికి వచ్చాక లాక్డౌన్ లో కొలాబ్ లో గూగుల్ కొలాబ్ లో చేపించారు మేము.
Okay.
Ma'am, instead of downloading a software for Ma'am, instead of downloading a software for Java, can we use extensions on VS Code?
Of course we can, I think.
Can we go through that method instead?
Okay, if you want, we can go using that. That depends on the particular person. Ultimately, coding means you have to learn the coding, not the platform, right?
Yes, ma'am. But
you may be familiar with the VS, right? But
yes,
somebody is familiar with the Notepad only. Our intention is not the platform, right? So
okay, ma'am.
Those who are interested to do in Visual Studio, they can do in Visual Studio. Those who are interested like a traditional Java programming, go through them like traditional Java programming. Okay, that is simply depends on you. And how can we use the Java software means first you go to Google, download Java. I'll share my screen. Is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So you download Java. If you are using Windows, you can download it for Windows. If you are using MacBook, download it for MacBook. Okay, any doubt in this part?
No, ma'am.
Okay, after downloading this, the crucial thing is you have to set the path. How can we set the path means go to your PC properties. Go to your PC properties, which means this PC. Right click on it. Properties. In this properties, go to advanced system settings. In this environment variables, you have to set the path. Click on this new. Here you type it as like path. And here, wherever you want to store all your programs, give that particular path. Suppose you want to store in your personal drive like D. So you bring that particular value here and click on OK. Then first you have to set the path. This is the important thing. Okay. Got it, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Java first download cheskoni andulo system properties loki velli path set cheyali. Path set chesin tarvate neeku Java programs work avutayi. Program ekkada type cheyali ante Java program simply you can type in your notepad itself. After typing the notepad, go to command prompt, type Java C. If you set the path means it is recognizable. If not, it is not recognizable. The command to execute Java program is Java C space program name dot Java. Got it? Still any doubt? Got it, Nitin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Okay, now still if you have any problem, we'll discuss that later. First you try it. After completion only, we'll get doubts. After that, we'll discuss if you have any doubt. Now we'll move on to the regular session like coding. Can anyone tell me what is the extension for Java? How will you save a file? See, like C programming will save it like .c. How can we save Java?
.java.
అని చెప్పి స్టోర్ చేస్తాం మనం Java files ని. Okay. Okay. Before Java, what is the base for Java programming? What is the base for Java programming? Are you familiar with object-oriented concepts?
Yes, ma'am. OOPS concept.
OOPS concepts, are you familiar?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what are the OOPS concepts?
Encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism. One more.
Abstraction.
Yeah, abstraction.
Abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism. What is abstraction? What is abstraction?
Hiding inner details, showing only relevant information for the user.
Abstraction means it is hiding the internal details. It is simply describing the external behavior, right? That is abstraction. What is encapsulation? What is encapsulation?
And combination of the class member plus data member.
Combination of?
Class member plus data member.
Combining the data and the code is known as the encapsulation. Next, what is inheritance?
taking a property from a parent class, ma'am.
Yes, deriving the properties from parent class to the child class is known as the inheritance. Okay, what is polymorphism?
A class having different forms or existing in different types of classes, something like that.
Polymorphism, yes, one thing in many forms. The name itself, it is defining that poly means one thing in many forms. This is nothing but the basic features of the Java. Java follows the OOPS concepts like abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance, right? And all these Java programs are stored with .java extension. Now, can you tell me the simple program on Java? How will you print the hello world? Can anyone demonstrate?
Printf.
I'll write, please, anyone, please demonstrate. Print hello world in Java.
Printf and then
Printf అసలు యూస్ చేస్తాం మనం జావాలో. Simply basic 2-3 programs I'll explain in Java, and then we'll move on to the moderate level programs directly. Okay, all of you, are you following, ma? Okay, everything is represented like classes. What is the class? What is a class means? A class is a collection of data and the functions. A class is a collection of data and the functions, and the data and the functions which are inside the class are known as the class members. What can you call? Class members. What I have to print? Sample. So everything will be every program must start its execution with main function only. So we have to write the main function. That main function should be inside a class according to Java programming. So how will you write the main function? Means public static void main, public static void main, string args, okay, public static void main, string args. How will you print in C programming? We'll use printf function. But when you come to here, system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println hello world, system dot out dot println hello world. This is nothing but the simple Java program to print hello world. Is anybody having doubt regarding this? Is anybody having doubt regarding this? Is anybody having a Java program in your systems? 53 ni danlo work avutadamma?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you execute this program? Then we will share your screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, please execute. Please execute and share your screen. 53, are you doing?
Yes, ma'am. It's still. I'm still installing the packages.
Okay, do it.
Ma'am, it's not working on mine.
Okay, is anybody having Java programming with you? Anybody? CS9 and CS11. Okay. Okay, Ma, today I'll show you the outputs in the online compiler. From next lab onwards, we'll see in our local system itself. Is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What I have written here, what I told you, everything should be inside a class. Class is having functions as well as the data. Is it having any data? What is the input here? What is the input here? What is the input here? Did I pass any input here? I'm not passing anything. Say here the input is 0. So it doesn't have any data. Only one function it is having, that to print function. Public class, my class. Class name is my class. In that I have written the main function public static void main. In that I'm printing system.out.println of hello world. If I execute, what happens? Observe carefully. Execute. What it is giving? Observe here, hello world, it is printing. Is anybody having doubt regarding this? Any doubt regarding this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, simply now you tell me the logic for to print addition of two numbers. Addition of two numbers. Two numbers first we have to read, no? Int x is equals to 10 comma y is equals to 20. Okay, x is equals to 10 comma y is equals to 20. How will you print? Addition is, what will you write? Please respond. See, ma, in C programming, what will you write inside a print statement? Percentile D will write, but here no need to write anything. Simply it is plus. Okay, plus means you are concatenating this as x plus y. Addition will write here as z is equals to x plus y. Z is equals to x plus y, and here I will declare z also. So it is available in which variable? It is available in which variable? In z variable. Anything else? Now we'll check execute. Okay, z is equals to x plus y semicolon, I missed. What it is giving addition is 30. 10 plus 20, 30, na? Got it, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll give you 2 more questions. Please do it. Write a Java program. Write a Java program to print first 10 numbers, 10 natural numbers. Write a Java program to print first 10 natural numbers. Next, write a Java program to print first 20 even numbers. See, two questions I have given to you. First 10 natural numbers and even numbers from 1 to 20. Print even numbers from 1 to 20. Got the 2 questions? Questions rendu ardhamainaya? Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 342. I'll check at 352. 5 minutes per program. You complete it. 352. I'll tell the answers.
Mom is working, mom.
I'm working.
My Java.
Okay, roll number 53. Yeah.
Yes, mom.
Okay, first complete these 2 programs in your system too. All of you, please write the code for these 2 programs who don't have system. Those who are having systems, they can work on the system itself. After completion, we'll check roll number 53.
Ma'am, can you tell program again question?
See, first 10 natural numbers you have to print.
Okay.
The even numbers from 1 to 20. Both these questions completed.
Okay, mom.
10 minutes, 5 minutes for each question. Now the time is 15:43. From 15:52, I'll check. Okay. Somebody has already completed. Okay, now wait for the remaining to complete. Okay, Nalini. Okay, 53. 53. Okay, my roll number 21. No need to share here in the chat box. 53, will you share your screen? Have you got the outputs?
Only one I did so far, ma'am.
Okay, share your screen. We'll complete the next one together.
Ma'am.
Okay, see what he has done. Public class, natural. Class name has given us natural. Public static void string args int I equals to 1 to 10. I have to system.out now 5. What he has got the output? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one. Okay. Go to top. Same class even. For I is equals to 1. Okay. To complete.
Ma'am, first 10 natural numbers, no ma'am. First 10 even.
First 20.
First 20.
Yes, Nitin.
Yes, ma'am.
In mind out,
Yeah, ma'am.
Hand raise.
No. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I initiated int A, no ma'am.
No need of A, ma. Int I, comma, n is equals to 10, you take it.
Int I, comma?
N is equals to 20, you take it.
Okay.
Where and I equals to 1, I less than or equals to
20.
n.
Hmm.
I plus. Okay, those who have completed, can you tell me what is the condition will you write inside it?
I plus 2.
I plus.
If I percentile, if the percentile 2 equal to 0.
This is not Python, you have to give the braces.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Okay.
Dot.
I.
Else for else.
No need. I just ask you to print only those numbers.
No, ma'am. Else you have to do I plus. Okay, okay. Got it. Ma'am, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 20.
Okay. Is anybody having doubt regarding this? Some girl has told that I plus 2. Who is that? I+2 చెప్పారు కదమ్మా ఎవరు?
Ma'am, me.
Okay, roll number 21. Okay, you can do like that also. Give roll number. Okay, I equals to I+2. Now, no need of if block.
Directly in for loop only, without if loop.
Without if block. Directly you write system.out.println. And I is equals to I+2.
It won't do it. Plus.
No, I is equals to I+2 or I equals to +2.
Okay. Yeah.
What it is showing?
No. Thread main error unsolved 1 minute.
Extra brace.
There, but this is showing odd numbers.
0.
Okay.
For I is equals to 0.
Yes.
Okay. There,
what you got? You got the even numbers. But which one is better?
The if loop.
See, ma, I equals to I+2 kuda correct, but this is not the good practice. Use loop, use if condition, I modulo division 2 equals to 0. When will you call it as even number? Means when it is divisible by 2 only, we will call that as even number. Okay, roll number 21. Name wrong anadam ledu. Of course, you'll get the marks, but the good practice is check with the if.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then I think we know now how to print a statement in Java, right? Now, will you able to read it dynamically? Read the data dynamically. Till now, we did not read the data dynamically. We have assigned the values. N is equals to 20, like that we have assigned. How can you read the data dynamically in Java? Can anyone know?
Ma'am, dynamic as an array?
No, dynamic doesn't mean that it is an array.
What do you mean by dynamic?
Dynamic means like in our C programming, how can we read the data at dynamic? Means by using the scanf function. Dynamic means you can read the data in your terminal part, not in the editor part.
Yes, ma'am. Scan system dot in.
Yes, by using scanner. Okay, ma, you write it, take new file. Just reading the data dynamically and bit. Oh. Public. Okay. Scanner. Scanner, not scan.
Yes, ma'am. Scanner.
SE is equals to
inside bracket.
No, normal variable name.